This could drive Shiba Inu to higher highs. As Shiba Inu coin continues to look amazing and the crypto market in general continues to do very well. Guys, Bitcoin is up, Ethereum is up, and if you're looking from early 2023, things are looking bright, but it's not just prices going up. There is a lot of information about Shibarium and the Shiba Inu coin that is driving investors to keep looking and wondering whether or not the Shiba Inu coin is coming out and whether or not it will hit record highs in 2023. The excitement is increasing the amount of Chiba search volume. Let's touch on Shibarium and the price of the Shiba Inu coin. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is the first time you are watching one of our videos, we send you a special welcome. We invite you to click the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are going to announce that this channel has a giveaway of 5 million Shiba Inu tokens. To have the chance to participate, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag Shiba Inu. The winner will be announced on January 31st. We're seeing a slight uptick based on the recent rally in cryptocurrencies and Shiba Inu, based on the release of information on Shibarium, but it's not necessarily exciting yet, which means we have a lot of potential for much higher price increases when we're talking about the Shiba Inu coin now. If you want a lot of details, you can go back and watch the video I did yesterday. We went through and read a lot of the definitions talking about validators, delegators, and the requirements to be a validator and delegator in the Shibarium network, but it's going to be absolutely crucial that people validate and delegate in this network. By way of summary, validators are the ones who will run these nodes and validate transactions on the blockchain. If you want a manual request process and a manual review process, you will need to stake at least 10,000 BONE to be a validator, and you will need to demonstrate some sort of knowledge of what it will take to be a delegator. On the other hand, you will be able to delegate any amount of BONE beyond a certain threshold, usually not much. You would have to delegate to one of your favorite validators, and so you can also earn rewards on BONE. Those rewards on the Shibarium network will be based on the gas fees paid. So if you are betting your BONE on the platform with the expectation of receiving a reward, you will do so based on the amount of volume that is carried out on the Shibarium network. I guess there's a little summary right there. If you like it, you should watch that video for more details, or go to the Shibarium network Twitter account and read. Nonetheless, this excitement around Shibarium is driving up the price of Shiba Inu and BONE currency in recent days. Now I will say this too. I review and read all the articles. I try to keep up to date. Every article written is trending on Twitter, as they deal with all those important aspects about Chiba and the whole ecosystem, then tell you guys about it. In many articles it is assured that Shibarium is already launched, but it is not so. Do not get ahead thinking that. Keep in mind that it has not been launched yet. We must wait for official information, because there is still no release date for this platform. We've had a nice uptick in Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as Shiba Inu coin, Dogecoin, Terra, and so on, but the cryptocurrency market in general is going to have a lot of regulations in 2023 to give the government more control, because they absolutely need control of everything, and also clean up the space from this narrative that bad actors like FTX and others are running rampant through the cryptocurrency space. In fact, just yesterday, Genesis crypto lending firms filed for bankruptcy. The collapse of FTX in late 2022 was the last straw for Genesis, which earlier that year suffered losses of several $100 million due to its exposure to failed cryptocurrency hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital. They are going to look to become the heroes of cryptocurrencies and drive that regulation, but I want to talk about the search volume for Shiba Inu and what it means for future price. I love using Google Trends, especially when I search for anything related to the price of a stock or cryptocurrency, and right now, the Shiba Inu coin has an increase in search volume, both for YouTube videos and Google Web. What does this indicate? It indicates that more people are interested in what's going on right now, so they're searching for it on YouTube and Google, but these numbers are still dramatically low and, of course, the price of the Shiba Inu coin has gone up 20% in the last few weeks, which is generating interest in information recently related to Shibarium. It's also generating interest, so those are the two factors that are driving the search volume for the Shiba Inu coin right now. Google Trends is a very interesting place to look at trending search volume because it shows it on a level of 0 to 100, so 100 is when the Shiba Inu coin was reaching its all-time high at the end of 2021, and currently, if you're looking at a 5-year chart, I think the Shiba Inu coin is around the 17 level. That shows us that we are close to the lows that we hit in 2021. When Shiba Inu first shot up in May of 2021, people were interested and then it faded. Our token dropped 500 to 700 points per coin. The search volume basically bottomed out when it started to go up in price again. More and more people were interested. The good thing is that when you compare the price now and the search volume now with the price and the search volume of 2021, then we are at the lows. The search volume is close to the lows we had back then, but the price is double what we had back then. So if we set up a bottom, if the amount of interest in the Shiba Inu currency remains stable where it is and we have a good bottom here, we can catapult further during the next bull market. If we get the same amount of interest and the same number of people focused on what is going on, should I buy it? Do you think the price of Shiba Inu can continue to go up? Write us your answers in the comments section below. On the other hand, as reported by crypto tracking platform Shibarium, in the last 24 hours, the Chiba community managed to burn almost 13 million tokens in 13 transactions. In the last 2 days, that represents more than 65 million Shiba Inu coins burned in total. Shiba Inu has been growing at an impressive pace in the last week after the development team announced that it would soon finally launch the beta version of the Shibarium Layer 2 protocol. Shibarium will allow users to perform a greater number of transactions, making them much faster than before and at a much lower cost. So far, a total of 410 trillion coins have been destroyed from the initial supply. There are now 571 trillion Shiba Inu left in circulation. At the current rate of Chiba burning, at several or even 10 to 20 million per day, the community believes it may take quite a few years to burn most of the supply to drive up the price. At the time of writing, Shiba Inu is changing hands at 1100p, having risen over 23% in the past week, spurred by expectations of the Shibarium launch. Growth over the past 24 hours is just over 1%. Most altcoins have also been on a roll since the start of the year, with the last 48 hours also generating minor increases. The crypto market cap has added a few billion overnight and is close to $1 trillion on CoinMarketCap. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency prices change frequently, so by the time you watch this video, it may have changed to a completely new value. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you in a future opportunity to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.